Whether your goal is to become financially stable or extremely wealthy, you must first set your mind and manifest wealth. Beginning with your mental wealth will motivate you and spark creativity within you, leading to financial success. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the BizzNizz Hippy channel. Let's begin. Repeat after me. I am rich. I am valuable. I am financially prosperous. I have an abundance of money. I am a money magnet. I attract money from all sources. Money flows into my life freely. I am a multi-millionaire. Unexpected money flows into my life. I receive lots of money from the universe. Money comes to me freely. I attract wealth. I possess a wealthy mindset.